The skyscraper story is one of ambition, humanity's drive to reach the sky. In the late 1800s, Chicago and New York faced crowded streets and expensive land, so builders looked up. Steel frames and Otis's safety elevator made vertical construction possible. The home insurance building in Chicago, just 10 stories, changed everything. Soon, Art Deco icons like the Empire State and Chrysler buildings soared, symbols of progress and modernity. The race for height was on, fueled by innovation and optimism. Post-war, the international style took over, sleek glass and steel boxes, efficient and fast to build. Skyscrapers became global, rising in cities from Tokyo to Toronto. Today we're in a new golden age. Towers twist, turn and vanish into clouds. Modern skyscrapers are vertical cities. Homes, offices, parks and shops stacked sky high. Sustainability and unique design now matter as much as height. Smarter materials and breathtaking engineering define the latest giants. These buildings are more than structures, they're communities and symbols of human ingenuity. Each new tower pushes boundaries, reshaping skylines and our sense of what's possible. The skyscraper remains the ultimate expression of our desire to build higher and better. It's a grand design, on the grandest scale. Every skyscraper begins with an idea, a vision that takes years to realize. Site selection is crucial. Developers weigh zoning, geology, and community impact. Architects and engineers collaborate, turning client needs into bold, functional designs. Every detail is debated, from the building's shape to its place in the city. Structural engineers use advanced modeling to ensure the building can withstand wind, earthquakes, and its own weight. Choices like steel versus concrete frames are fundamental to safety and success. Permits and approvals follow, with rigorous reviews for safety and environmental impact. Only after every detail is checked can construction begin. The process is long and complex, but it's the foundation for every great skyscraper. From vision to blueprint to bedrock, each step is essential. The journey is as impressive as the building itself. Building a skyscraper means battling gravity and the elements. Foundations are drilled deep into bedrock with reinforced concrete piles anchoring the structure. The Burj Khalifa, for example, rests on nearly 200 piles sunk over 50 meters deep. Wind is another challenge. Tall buildings sway, so engineers use tuned mass dampers, giant pendulums that steady the tower. Taipei 101 600-ton damper is a marvel, visible to visitors. The building's core, a reinforced concrete spine, houses lifts and stairs, providing rigidity against wind and earthquakes. Slip forming allows the core to rise rapidly, setting the pace for construction. High-speed cranes and hoists lift materials hundreds of meters, growing with the building. Every movement is choreographed for safety and efficiency. The logistics are as impressive as the engineering. Each skyscraper is a triumph over nature's forces. It's a blend of science, art, and precision. That's how we build higher, safer, and smarter. The Shard in London is a striking example of modern skyscraper design. Designed by Renzo Piano, it's a vertical city, offices, hotel, apartments, and public spaces in one spire. Its glass pyramid shape echoes London's historic churches and railways. The site, beside London Bridge Station, demanded precision and innovation. Builders used a top-down method, excavating the basement while the core rose above, saving months. The steel frame for lower floors went up before the basement was finished. A bold, calculated move. The Shard's 11,000 glass panels are triple glazed and angled to reflect the sky, changing with the weather. The facade's natural ventilation reduces energy use, blending beauty with sustainability. The spire's top floors were prefabricated off-site, then lifted into place like a giant puzzle. In 2012, the final beam completed London's tallest building. The Shard is more than a landmark, it's a symbol of innovation and a new era for the city. It redefines what a skyscraper can be. Skyscrapers shape city identities and drive urban life. They create dense, efficient hubs, reducing sprawl and energizing city centers. The next generation of towers will be taller, smarter, and greener. Engineers are exploring new materials like carbon fiber and 3D printed components. Sustainability is key. Solar facades, rainwater harvesting, and even vertical farms are becoming standard. Future skyscrapers will be mixed-use communities, homes, parks, schools, and culture in the sky. Elevators are evolving too, with magnetic levitation systems moving cabins in all directions. The goal buildings that give back to the city and the environment. Tomorrow's grand designs will be more humane, sustainable, and integrated than ever. The race to the sky is just beginning.